ornamentations. Friends, आज हम बात करेंगे architectural features and ornamentation के बारे में. Architectural features, they are basically the structural members that we see in a building. The walls, columns, roofs, slopes, steps, staircase, doors, windows, they are all the features that we see in a building, and they are almost common in all the buildings. In contrast to it, if we talk about the ornamentation, they are basically, सादी भाषा में बोला जाए तो वो features जो features को और enhance करते हैं या और beautiful बनाते हैं, उनको ornamentation features बोला जाता है. So, architectural features are those which make a building, and ornamentation features are those जो makeover करने के लिए या makeup के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं.
Now let's take an example from Hindu architecture. We know our India is very rich in its history and heritage. The rock cut architecture comes from the Hindu architecture, which is a very fine example of the wonderful works of the artists and designers that time. In Indian temples, if we take the example of Sun Temple, Konark, you see stamp, stupas, domes, carvings, paintings, etc. So the features plus the ornamentation on those features is a very beautiful combination that reflects the workmanship and the authenticity of that particular place. If we take the examples from the caves of Ajanta and Ellora, we see beautifully carved sculptures from the artists of that era. So this is how the intrinsic work of a person is put on the element or on the feature of the architecture. Apart from this, if we take the example from outside India, let's see some examples.
This is a royal example from the architectural heritage of Netherlands. This is the town hall, and it is also called the Royal Palace. It is situated in the Dam Square, Amsterdam. Dam Square is the heart of the city, and the city Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands. This particular building is a combination of Gothic as well as Dutch architecture. You can see these features, these conical roofs, these sculptures, this dome on the top, these roofs, these continuous windows. So this is the way how Dutch people used to design. Now this is an example from its heritage. In front of this town hall, you can see this good urban space where people get together, and it is considered to be a very good space for various cultural and festive activities. Now next comes, this is an example of how a vault looks. This is a passage from a museum that I visited there. So look at this detail thing. The vault is designed so beautifully and so neatly. Vault is another architectural feature which is a very common thing there. Next, look at this door. You can see this carving. This is just for the sake of ornamentation, plus this detail on the frame. Now these two details have got no issue, have got no connection with the functionality of door, but yes, they are making the door more appealing and more beautiful. This is another example from a street, a row of houses. Netherlands and especially the Amsterdam, it is known for narrow houses. So they have big windows and they have this kind of a pulley system on top of each house, so that if you want to get anything, any kind of furniture or fixture inside your house, you can simply, using this pulley system, you can get it into your house through these windows, because the doors are not very wide, they are quite narrow. And look at the continuous windows, look at these carving things, look at this detail. So these are all, the ornamentation thing.
Now after looking at these images, one must be thinking कि डिज़ाइंस तो अच्छे हैं, I appreciate them, but what is the idea or what is the way of reaching to that design? How should I approach or how should I start designing? For that, you need to know, for that, you also need to know about the elements of design, the principles, which are the basic guidelines of knowing how to use the elements. You should also be aware of what is the concept or what should be the idea of your design. For that, wait for my next videos. So stay connected and keep liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Thank you.